All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a kind of a unique classic Chevy. It's a Monte Carlo. I mean, they made a lot of them, but you just don't see that many around anymore. You know, this one's a 71. To me, it's the coolest body style. Kind of like a Chevelle inside. It's got the same dash, the same console, bucket seats with a headrest. Kind of a neat little muscle car. This one's just got a 350 in it. It's got a crate motor that we put in a couple years ago for the previous owner, about 2,000 miles ago. It's just a 350. I think they're 300 horsepower, something like that. Still has a 2-barrel carburetor on it. Stock exhaust manifolds. It's got dual exhaust. Factory power steering. Factory power disc brakes up front. Really nice, man. Just a really cool cruiser. Still got the original steering wheel on there. It's got an aftermarket stereo, a Kenwood. Also has like a box in the trunk with a sub and a nice amp. Nothing crazy, but makes it sound good. But it's finished in Tuxedo Black. Black interior. Pretty nice overall. You know, it's not a restored car, but it's, ooh, look at that. It doesn't burn out too easy. But it's got the BF Goodrich GA radials on there. It's got the rally wheels, 15-inch rally wheels. Little hood ornament out there too. Monte Carlo is kind of a classy car more than a muscle car, even though they made a 454 version of it. But the 350, nice. Plenty of power, comfortable to drive, easy to take care of. We'll go up here and take some more pictures, more video for you. All right, check out this beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. What a classy American, somewhat muscle car. Like a mid-size, you know, Chevrolet Sport Coupe. 2-door hardtop. Got a V8 in it. It's got a 350, turbo 350 automatic transmission. It's got a 10-bolt rear differential with some freeway gears in it, so you can just hop in the freeway and go in this car. Drives great. It's got the rally wheels on there with the raised white letter BF Goodrich TA radials. Makes it look good. Some 15s. Nice paint. It's got a couple things here and there. A little scratch in the glass. A couple little paint imperfections here and there, but it's older paint. I like older paint. Doesn't do anything right away. Sometimes you get these brand new paint jobs and 2 weeks later you got bubbles. So this one's actually really good. Tuxedo Black. Looks great going down the street. All the chrome is nice. The grille is beautiful. Wheel well trim. It's got dual mirrors. A nice deluxe interior too. Some of these things were just a bench seat, but this has bucket seats with a headrest, just like a Chevelle. Same dash as a Chevelle, like the Super Sports. Original steering wheel there. Custom Kenwood stereo. There's your horseshoe shifter. That centerpiece there could either be black or wood grain. I know they sell the kits for it. That's a little less than perfect, but it can be cleaned up. They're never perfect. Nice headliner. Rear seat probably barely ever sat in. Just a great driving classic Chevy. Solid underneath too. Rust-free, local California car. Built in Los Angeles too. Here's the power plant in the 71 Monte Carlo. Like I said in my ad, basically it's just pretty stock. It's got a brand new 350 engine in it. It's only got a couple thousand miles on it. We went ahead and put the original 2-barrel back on, original intake manifold, but it's got factory power steering, factory power disc brakes. Still has exhaust manifolds on it, no headers or anything. But it sounds good. It's got a nice sport dual exhaust. These Monte Carlos, these engines were set way back, so it's got all this room up here, plenty of room for cooling. It's got an updated aluminum radiator. It's really clean. Go ahead and fire it up for you. It's a nice running new motor from Chevrolet. I don't even know if you can get these anymore. A couple years ago we bought this one, but they're a bargain. That was the replacement motor when you needed a new one when you went to the dealer. Nice and quiet out back. Clean car. But if you want to come see this one in person, come out and visit us in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, take it for a drive, or if you just decide you want it, you want me to throw it on a truck and ship it to you, we can do that too. There's even some financing sources available if you got good, strong credit. All right, thanks for watching.